we'll be needing a software called Rufus. I'll be putting the link down below. This Rufus is for you to be able to burn the ISO file of Windows 11 into your USB drive in order to make it bootable. Alright, open on Rufus, then insert your USB flash drive into your PC. You can actually do that before opening Rufus, whichever way. Okay, right now you can see that my USB flash drive has been detected and it's 8 GB in size. The next thing is to come to select and actually go through your PC and select the Windows 11 ISO file that you have on your PC already. So I have mine on my desktop. So this is my Windows 11 ISO file. I click to mount it. So the second step here, on the image option, make sure you have standard selected. Okay, by default it comes with standard. Now the second most important thing is this partition section. Alright, so here we have GTP and MBR, which is the master boot record. Now how do you actually know if your system supports MBR or GPT? Actually, there is a way to find out. So let me show you how to quickly find out if your system supports MBR. You're gonna see that from your hard drive. So I want you to open up File Explorer. Right click on this PC. I'm actually on Windows 11, so I click on Show More option, then I click on Manage, then click on Disk Management. Alright, so right here I right click on the disk 0, then I go to Properties, click on Volumes. So under Partition Style you can see Master Boot Record. So that is how you know which selection to make. So that being known, let's get back to Rufus. Okay, so I have to change my partition scheme from GPT to Master Boot Record. Automatically the target system changes to BIOS. Okay, so you just need to know if you are on Master Boot Record, which is MBR or GPT. So once that is being done, every other thing comes automatically default. So don't change any other thing. Immediately you have selected your partition scheme. So the next thing is for you to head down to this button, start button, and click on it. A warning pops up, click OK to continue. So our flash drive is being made to be bootable. So I'll pause the video and come back when everything is done. Okay. Okay, so at this point, Rufus has successfully made our flash drive bootable. So the next thing to do is to click on close button that we have right here.